Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Today we will see the cruise ship Renaissance departing from the London International Cruise Terminal at Tilbury on the 23rd of April 2024. As you can see, Renaissance has started to take in some of its lines. During the departure, Renaissance will be assisted by the tug VB BENELUX, and here we see a line being passed from the tugboat onto the cruise ship. Here we see the Port of London Authority pilot boat guide arriving at the Tilbury landing stage. Renaissance was on a 6-day round-trip cruise that had started in Zeebrugge in Belgium on the 20th of April. You can see the full cruise itinerary at the top of the screen. If you're enjoying the video, please remember to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more videos in the future. Guide now returns to Royal Terrace Pier over at Gravesend on the other side of the river. The red and white flag on the left indicates that there is a pilot on board. Before Renaissance could depart, it had to wait for the dredger DC Flandern 3000 to pass. Eventually, the final lines are taken in. Renaissance was launched in January 1992 and completed in October 1993. It sails under the flag of Bermuda and is registered at the port of Hamilton. Renaissance is 220 metres long and 32 metres wide. When Renaissance was completed back in 1993, it was originally called Maasdam and operated for Holland America Line. It continued operating for Holland America Line up to 2020. It was then bought by Sea Jets, which is a Greek Cypriot company, and renamed Aegean Myth. However, due to the pandemic, it was laid up for 2 years. In September 2022, it was bought by a newly formed French cruise line called CFC. They renamed the ship to Renaissance, and it made its first cruise for CFC in June 2023. Renaissance will now have to turn around to head down the Thames and out to sea. At the moment, the tug VB BENELUX is being let go, and you will shortly hear it sounding a friendly farewell to Renaissance. VB BENELUX now returns to the Tilbury landing stage.